we just lie tonight. You know you wanna turn up, I can make you feel right all night. Tell me if you feel what I'm feeling, don't be scared. Turn up. We ain't gotta rush, we can slow it down.
What's up, YouTube? This is your girl Samantha Sweets, and welcome back to my channel. Hey, Sweetie Squad, what's up, my lovies? Happy Tuesday. Okay, guys, as promised, 3 videos today. Today is number 3. Well, right now is number 3, and this is the Valentine's Day giveaway. I am so excited. As you guys see, I have my Valentine's Day background. I have my Valentine's jewelry. I have my Valentine's hearts. I'm ready for Valentine's Day. So we got to get you guys ready for Valentine's Day. And that's why I love doing giveaways. So I'm a little extra today. As you can see in my videos, I literally just did the merch video. Oh my God, I love it so much. I love my merch. I cannot wait to just get snuggly and wuggly in it later on today. I had to get dressed up though for the videos. Now, really quick, I'm going to remind everybody, if you guys are new to the YouTube channel, what's up? I'm your girl, Samantha Sweets. Please make sure you hit the subscription button below. Give it a click right here. Ring a ding, ding, ding that bell. Turn your post notifications on. Why? Because I do giveaways. No, that's not the only reason to subscribe, but I love doing them. So right now, we are doing a Valentine's Day giveaway. So make sure you subscribe. Make sure you watch the whole video because, of course, I got a question for y'all to put in the comments. Also, don't forget your quotes because I love reading them, and I will read a new one on every single video. So, yeah, without further ado, let's get into this amazing giveaway. Okay, so I love Valentine's. Valentine's is such a romantic month. It's amazing. The day of love. Mi amor. Yeah, I ran out of words to say love. But anyways, I'm so excited to be doing this because I actually did this same Valentine's Day giveaway last year in my boy Brandon's songs. You guys should check him out. He's hilarious on YouTube, especially how he imitated your girl. Oh my God, that was the best imitation ever. I love him so much. He won my giveaway last year. Only one winner won. And I was like, dang, I was like, that kind of sucks because, you know, other people really wanted that palette. So I went and got 2 more. So I'm going to show you guys the palette because I actually love this palette. I will be using this palette religiously for this month, honestly. And this is the Sweet Valentine palette from Lorella. You guys know I love Lorella. I wear it all the time. It's where I get a lot of my liquid eyeshadows from now. And Lorella, sponsor your girl. I mean, I love you to death, but sponsor your girl. I represented you for 3 years now. So this is the palette, and I apologize, my finger got dug into this color right here, but it's absolutely gorgeous, still works. This is the Sweet Valentine's Day palette. I don't see any other palette that could be as amazing as this for Valentine's Day, but this, I absolutely love it. I love the pinks, I love the fuchsias. This palette is very pigmented, it's gorgeous. And then right after Valentine's Day is Easter, so you guys can wear this for spring or whenever, because like I said, you know, there's no rules in makeup. Now, a lot of you guys have asked me already what is on my eyes today. I am actually wearing a BB palette. I got this from Burlington. It was only $8. And this is the Floral Flirt palette. Very pigmented, very amazing. You guys just have to look for hidden gems. I myself is one. So I love this palette. I used it for the first time today, and I definitely will be using it more and more. So I'll put this aside because, of course, I have some other things to give to you guys. So I got 2 Valentine's palettes, Sweet Valentine's. Well, Sweetheart. Hold on. Hold the phone. Is this the same palette? Wait a minute. Okay, we'll put the picture up right here of what I bought. And this says Sweet Valentine. This says Sweetheart, but it looks like the same thing. I mean, I don't know if it is, but it's the same packaging. Let's see if the back says the same. No! Oh my God. Now I need to go buy one for me. It's different. So this is the picture. I'm not going to open y'all's because, you know, it's for y'all. But now I have to go buy one. So mine was in colors Passion, Be True, Cupid, True Love, XXOs, Flowers, All Mine, February, Hugs, and Be Mine. And y'all's are in the same. What? Girl, I'm confused. Anyways, it's a beautiful palette. I'm so confused. 2 lucky winners will be winning the Sweetheart palette. Also, I am going to be doing, oh my goodness, everything's falling. I'm going to be, where'd my other brushes go? These beautiful diamond brushes, hot pink and purple. So we'll be throwing those in with the giveaway. And the liquid eyeshadows. I know you guys have been asking for some liquid eyeshadows, so I went ahead and did it. This is like one of my favorite collections. It comes with 3, absolutely beautiful. Look at the glitter. Look at the glitter. Let me look at this color. Do I have this color? Yes, I do. Okay. Yes, absolutely gorgeous. Look at this one. Just got to shake it up a little, I guess. But this is like a pink. It's in rose quartz. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. And then we have another pretty pink one. We have goals. I have this one. I love this color. Look at that. Love this color. Look at this one. Look at that. Look at this. And this beautiful pink just in time for Valentine's Day in Secret. Secret. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my gosh. Just saying Secret. I just thought of something. I just thought of Dustin Diamond. I know I talked about it on my live yesterday, but I cannot believe Screech from Saved by the Bell has passed away. I heard he had cancer, but goodness gracious, I had no idea it attacked him so viciously. And my heart goes out to his girlfriend. He didn't have no kids or anything, but wow, he is definitely like my childhood. You know, I grew up watching Saved by the Bell, and it's so sad that he passed. But whoa, Lorella, you totally destroyed my pants today. I need a lip brush. But anyways, guys, oh, and then of course, a lip gloss from the Vault. So, I am so excited. This is the Valentine's Day giveaway. So, my question to be entered in this giveaway, I got nothing. Oh my gosh. I knew the question on my last video because I said, y'all, what of y'all said it in the lives. And I was like, no. That's going to be one of my questions for my giveaway. Oh my gosh. Wow. I don't remember. What's the question? Wow. I can't remember. That's crazy. Well, just make sure you subscribe. Make sure you give these videos a big thumbs up. And make sure you comment down below what is your sign. What's your sign? Tell me your sign. I'm a Gemini. What are y'all? We have a lot of new Sweetie Squad. I would love to know what your sign is. I'd love to know how many more we have Geminis. So yeah, what is your sign? Comment down below what is your zodiac sign. We made it very simple this time. And follow your girl on Instagram at SamanthaSweets100 because you never know when I'm going to do a giveaway. You never know. So follow your girl. And if you like giggles, follow me on TikTok at SamanthaSweets100. I put all my makeup looks on there. So if you want to see that as well, you can follow me on there. But you don't have to. But anyways, guys, that was my last video for the day. I'm going to go eat. I'm hungry. I feel like I'm coming down off of my highness. My energy because I haven't eaten yet. So I'm gonna go eat. I'm gonna go upload these videos and I will see you guys on my next video. As always, stay beautiful, stay blessed. I'm your girl Samantha Sweets. I love you guys so much. Go get your merch. And remember, I announced already who is the 3 lucky winners of my 2021 giveaway. Oh, yes, I'm sorry. When's the giveaway over? The giveaway is over at the last day of this month. So, on February 28th, it's over. So, get your stuff in because you only got 26 days to go. So, go. Get your entries in. And I will see you guys on the next video. I love y'all. Bye.
Just like tonight, you know